Okay, so let's use our formulae to solve each of these problems. So the formula we have to use is area equals h times a plus b. That's sides a plus b, right? Divided by 2. So area equals, so a plus b, parallel sides, so 6 plus 9, multiplied by 4, that's the height, divided by 2. So let's tidy it up. It is getting a bit cramped in there. So 4 times 6 plus 9 is 15, divided by 2. So area equals 4 times 15 is 60, divided by 2. So the area equals 30. 60 divided by 2 is 30 centimeters. It's area, so square them. For the next one over here, let's do this one again. Area equals h times a plus b, and you've got to divide all that by 2. So the area equals, what's the height is 8. A plus b, they're parallel, right? So it's 3 plus 7 divided by 2. Area equals 8 times 3 plus 7, what is that? That's 10 divided by 2. And area equals 8 times 10 is 80 divided by 2. And 80 divided by 2 is 40 meters. Area squared.